Good day, student. Today in this session we will see the practical number 8 using switch statement. So to perform this practical we should develop two programs, that is check whether the triangle is isosceles, equilateral, scalene or right angle triangle. And second program is display the season summer, winter, rain for given month of year, that is January, February up to December. Practical significance of this is student will be able to solve geometric and logical problems using switch statements and will develop an ability to understand how multiple if else statements can be replaced by simple switch case. Now we will see the relevant CO, relevant PO, basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tools, ethics, individual and teamwork, communication, lifelong learning. These are the relevant PO of this practical. Now we will see the relevant CO. First, to develop flowchart and algorithm to solve problem logically, and second, write simple C programs using arithmetic expressions and again control structures. The practical outcome is write, compile, execute simple C program using Turbo C and GCC compiler, and second is use switch statement in the program. So to execute this practical we should have minimum theoretical background, that is basic program logic using different decision making and branching statement. So first in this video we will see the program to check whether the triangle is isosceles, equilateral, scalene or right angle triangle. So by using nested if else and else if ladder we will see this program. So see here I have already written this program. First we will see how to check the given triangle is right angle triangle or equilateral or isoscale or scalene triangle. So first is a right angle triangle. To identify whether the given triangle is right angle triangle or not, we should have one formula, that is, suppose A, B, C are the sides of that triangle, then C equal to under root A square plus B square. If this gives the answer equal to side 3, then it should be a right angle triangle. Suppose if you want to check the given triangle is equilateral or not, we should check all the sides. If all the sides of this triangle are same, then it is an equilateral triangle. Suppose from 3 sides, if any 2 sides are same of the triangle, then it is a isosceles triangle. And if all these 3 sides are not match with each other, then this is the scalene triangle. Means all the sides of triangle should be different. So now we will see the program for this. First I have taken one file and save that file by using .c operator. So triangle.c. Now first we should include 3 header files, that is a stdio.h, conio.h and math.h. Why math.h? Because we are going to use square root function which is already defined in the math.h. So this is the inbuilt function. So we are using math.h file. So now void main. To take the input from the user, we need 3 variables for the 3 sides of the triangle. So here I have declared 3 variables, that is integer a, b and c. All has the data type integer. Now clear screen, it is also library function, inbuilt function which is used to clear the screen. Now by using printf statement, here we are giving instruction to the user that enter 3 sides of triangle. And by using scanf, we are taking input from the user and we are going to save these 3 values respectively in variable a, b and c. After that, first we should check the given triangle is right angle triangle or not. If suppose this is a right angle triangle, then we don't need to again check this triangle for the equilateral, isoscale or scalene triangle. So first there are three possibilities. Suppose a equal to square root b square plus c square, b equal to square root a square plus c square, or c equal to a square plus b square. So here I have written three conditions. See here, a equal to square root, it is a inbuilt function in bracket b square, that is b into b plus c square, c into c. So this is the first condition. If it will match, then it directly print this statement, that is a given triangle is right angle triangle. But suppose if not, then it will check for the second condition, b equal to square root. Means if any of these three conditions is true, then it will execute the print statement. But suppose if all these conditions get false, then it will execute this else part. If else, now in this else part we have again written one if condition, that is if a equal to b and b equal to c. What is the meaning of this a equal to b and b equal to c? Means a equal to b equal to c, means all these three sides are equal. We are checking for all these three sides are equal or not. If this condition is true, then this is the equilateral triangle. Why? Because a equal to b and logical and b equal to c. What is the meaning of this? A and b are same and b and c are also same. So a and c is automatically same. So this is the equilateral triangle. If again condition is false, then it will go here else part, and again in this else we have written if, that is a equal to b or b equal to c or c equal to a. Means what? Here we are checking any two sides of the triangle are same or not. If any one of this condition is true, means what? If any two sides are same, then this is the isosceles triangle. And lastly here we have written else part. If all these three if get fails, then this is the scalene triangle. Means all the sides of triangle are the different. After that we have written the get ch. Okay, now we will compile this program, and after that execute this program. See here I have given 1 1 1, so all the sides are same. So here equilateral triangle, so triangle is a equilateral triangle. Now we will see the output for the another option. Now suppose I have inputted 10, 8 and 6. Now see here, this is the right angle triangle. Why? Because the square of 10 is 100, the square of 8 is 64 and square of 6 is 36. So 64 plus 36 is 100, and this the square root of 100 is a 10. So this is the right angle triangle. Now again we will execute this program. Suppose I have written 12, 12 and 14. Now see here two sides are same, so it should be a again it is a right angle triangle. Okay, we will try for another 14, 14 and suppose 100. Now see here, this is the isosceles triangle. Why? Because both the sides are same and third one is a different. Now we should check for the scalene triangle. Suppose I have written 4, 12 and 17. So all these sides are different, so it must be a scalene triangle. So this is the program whether to check given triangle is isosceles, equilateral, scalene or right angle triangle. Thank you.